Guys, what is going on here? Welcome back to another reaction video. Today I have for you Mr. Wulf, alright, and this is called No More Rain, Best Zangers 2020. So, before we get started, guys, I just want to say thank you guys so much for all the love and support on the channel. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, subscribing. Alright, a lot of videos going up. I love and I appreciate every single one of you guys. Best Zangers, I know I'm a week late, but that's okay because I'm ready and I'm hyped up for this. This is going to be awesome. I hope you guys are ready. Well, some of you guys probably already seen it, but I haven't. So this is my first time watching it, and I have all 12 episodes or all 12 songs up right now, and I'm gonna react to all of them today. All right, so first one up, or this is the second one, is Wulf, and that name right there, that's a pretty dope name. I'm not gonna lie, Wulf is a pretty dope name. I like that. I like that. But I hope you guys have been well. Let's get right into it. Got my headphones right here, like always. All right, video's gonna go this way. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. All right, I got my water, a little bit left. Smiling, put the brightness up. Check out the view. All right, let's go. Mr. Wulf's gonna bless my ears, right? So the guy with the red jacket was Wulf, okay. Okay.
Longing for this, longing for this. Remember when you told me you,
okay.
When you told me you would hold my hand. No, I didn't forget. No, I didn't forget all the things you used to all the things you used to say. You were trying oh so hard. You were trying oh so hard upon your that smile upon your face. The way you walk.
Oh, he's good.
Inside you, something tell inside you something. Remember when you told me you. Remember when you told me you will always be the one to hold my hand. No, I didn't forget it. No, I didn't forget all the things you used to say. All the things you used to say. No more rain. No more rain. No more thunder. The sky is falling. The sky is falling down. I'll be here. No more rain. No more rain. No more thunder. No more thunder. Let us dance until the morning. The pain away. Dance the pain. Follow me. Follow me to go chase city lights. City lights. Your brighter, on your brighter day. No more rain, no more rain, no more thunder, no more thunder. Let us dance until dance the pain away. Dance the pain away.
You know it's crazy. So Miss Montreal was the first one that I did, and she was very good. Wulf is very good. And now, like, listening to these two, I'm super excited to listen to all the other contestants because this is crazy. This is crazy. And I'm looking at all their names, and their names are pretty. They have some pretty interesting names. All right.
Well, I'm falling to the ground, trying to figure out what it's all about. From a life full of friends, from a life full of free appetite, to lonely appetite. No, I didn't forget it. No, I didn't forget all the things you used. All the things you used.
Who is this? I want her to go up.
No more thunder, no more thunder. When the sky is falling down, I'll be here. I'll be safe. No more rain, safe. No more rain, no more thunder, no more thunder. Let us dance until the morning. Dance the pain, dance the pain. Follow me to go chase city lights. I am like your brighter day, on your brighter day. No more rain, no more rain, no more thunder, no more thunder. Let us dance until the morning. Dance the pain away.
Yo, they love him.
Follow me to go chase city lights. I am here on your brighter day. No more rain, no more rain, no more thunder, no more thunder. The sky is falling down. I'll be here to keep you safe.
Okay, Mr. Wulf. I like Mr. Wulf. Okay. I'm not saying he's the best one now. I'm not saying he's the best one because I haven't heard everybody else. But Wulf is up there for me. Wulf is up there for me. But guys, this is it for No More Rain. I loved it. I'm so excited. I hope you guys are. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, comment. A lot of videos going up on the channel. All right, I love and I appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you so much. Almost to 4,000. So let's hit it and let's pass it. And I'll see you in the next one. All right, peace.